What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Gusto payroll account. So Gusto is basically a payroll management company. For those people who do not know what payroll management company does, so basically let's say you own a business and you have multiple employees. So managing your employee is going to be hard, right? So payroll companies help you manage your employee by managing like all those stuff which employees needs to do. So it just like helps you manage your employee and makes like your job easy so you can give more time to your company rather than your employees. All right, so that's what payroll company does, and Gusto Payroll is also one of those company which helps you guys. All right, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you in order to log in into your Gusto Payroll account. And if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future videos just like this. Now let's move on with today's video. First step, you want to search for Gusto Payroll login. After you search for Gusto Payroll login, you want to click on Gusto login.payroll benefit HR, and you want to click on it, and it's going to take you to this page of Gusto. Once you're over here, you just need to enter your email ID over here, whichever email you used when you created your Gusto account, and the password of your account over here just like this. And if you want to remember your email and your password, click on remember this device. So every single time you come into app.gusto.com, it's going to automatically log in into your account. You don't have to enter your email and password every single time, right? It makes your work easy. And click on sign in, and you should be able to log in into a Gusto account. And if you don't have a Gusto account, you can always click on don't have an employee account and create yourself an account over here as well. And if you want to sign up your company into Gusto, you want to click on versus want to sign your company up with Gusto. All right, and if you created your Gusto account using Google Zero Init, you want to click on this three option and log in into your Google Zero Init account, whichever option you chose, and the account which is linked with these things will open up automatically. All right, so hope you guys understand on how you guys can log in into Gusto. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and bye bye everybody. Have a nice day. See you guys next time. Thanks for watching One to Step.